how to make a tree in Little Alchemy. If you want to make a tree in Little Alchemy 2, it is very simple. First we will go ahead and open it up. We will go ahead and then add water and water to create puddle, puddle and puddle to basically create a pond, pond and pond to create a lake, lake and lake to create a sea, and basically we will add earth and sea to create a primordial soup. Then we will add fire and fire to create energy, energy and primordial soup to create a life. Once we've created life, what we will do is we will get back earth and we will basically add water to it to create a mud. We will add this little thing right here. We will add, basically we will go ahead and get back earth and fire to create a lava. Once we've created lava, we will add air to lava to make it a stone. Once we've created a stone, we will go ahead and then add mud to the stone to create a clay. Once we've created a clay, we will add life to the clay to basically make it a human. Once we've made a human, basically, again, I'll just keep this aside. I will get earth right here, and I will go ahead and get back earth again right like this in order to create a land. Once I've created land, I will go ahead and then add life to this land to create a farm, animal or a soil, right? So I will leave the animal aside, keep the soil here, and to soil I will go ahead and then add life again to create a plant. Once I have created a plant, now what I will do is I will go ahead and then add human to the plant to make a farmer. I'll combine farmer and farmer to basically create an idea, and I will combine human to the idea to create a philosophy. And once I've created philosophy, I will now go ahead and then get the land, and I will combine land and land to basically create continent. Then once I've created continent, I will combine continent and continent to create a planet. I will combine planet to basically create a solar system, and I will combine solar system to create a basically galaxy, and I will combine galaxy and galaxy. So I'll combine galaxy and galaxy to create a galaxy cluster and galaxy cluster to create a universe. Now once I've created universe, I'll simply go ahead and then look for philosophy right here, and then I will add philosophy to universe to basically create big. Once I've created big, all I need to do is add plant to it, and then just like that it will become a tree. And this way you'll be able to make a tree in Little Alchemy 2. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.